Hey doll faces, this video is all over the place. This is a bump box subscription. I just want to give you a quick disclaimer. When you're watching this video, it's not the unboxing of the actual subscription box like I thought. Apparently Glenn ordered 2 extra products for me that he thought I would like, because he did order the subscription box for me, and he surprised me with 2 extra products. So when I'm unboxing this is actually not the subscription box. I'll have a video later when that subscription box, the first one, comes in. This is just extra products he bought me. So I did not know that until after I done the video, and he's like, oh, that's not the subscription box, that's extra products I bought you. So yes, make sure you know that before you get on with this video. Hi, hello, I'm Miss Patricia Ann, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Bump Box. If you're not familiar with the Bump Box is, the Bump Box is a pregnancy subscription box. It runs about $40 a month. I did get the 9-month subscription, and if the baby comes before the end of the subscription, they change it for something the baby can use, and it's more or less a baby box. And I'm super excited to see what this box contains. I've been so excited. I am a new mother. This is my first pregnancy. I found out May 25th that I was pregnant, and today is 8 weeks. Today is officially 8 weeks I'm pregnant. So we started this bump box, and this is my very first bump box. So I'm gonna open it with you guys, and we're gonna see what we get inside. Comment below to let me know if you've got the bump box, what products you've got, and if you like it or not. So with further ado, let's get on with this video. Okay guys, so I have something to open it. I don't want him to. All right, we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I got the packing slip right here. And then I'm gonna show you guys the first thing I see in the box. And this is what you first see as soon as you open the box. Dig inside here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. We've got to do this on camera. Okay, so I was digging in there as you've seen, and the first thing I seen, okay, I have my ultrasound picture, right? I have wanted to get it framed, and I went to Dollar Tree and I got a frame. I'm not sure if it's even going to fit, so I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. It's our sonogram frame. It's like they knew this is what I wanted. It's like they knew this is what I wanted. Look at this. Let me put this down because you can't, the light, it's, oh, it's like they knew. They knew this is what I wanted. I'm so excited. It says love at first sight. Oh, I gotta go get copies made of my sonogram, because I don't want to cut my sonogram, and this needs to be cut. I'm so excited. Look. We're going to do that today. We got to go to the library before they close. Oh, okay, I got 2 products. I thought you're supposed to get like a lot more products than this. I only got 2 products in my box. Am I supposed to get more than 2? Because I only got 2. I think. Yeah, I only got 2 products. And I got this. And this is where... It's my pregnancy journal. Journey to birth. I've been keeping a little journal. And I've been keeping a little journal so far. I'm kind of disappointed that I only got 2 products. I think I was supposed to get more than 2 products, but this is actually probably really good products, and that's why I only got 2. But I'm going to show you guys this. Look at this little journal. It's really, really cute. So we're going to show you guys this up close. Let me hide my shipping information here. Okay, here is the journal. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what's inside. In the beginning, my name. I'm starting this journal today. This is so cute. This thing's got a lot of pages though, it really does. It's got a pocket where we put stuff in it. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this. I'm gonna fill all this out. This book's so cute. Sorry guys, I'm chewing gum. It's the only thing keeping morning sickness away. Oh, there's 2 pages. 3 months. It's got a lot of stuff in it. This 3rd trimester. It's got planning. It's like they knew I am a planner. It's like they knew. What's in the name for a boy? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, that is all I got in my bump box. I got the little pregnancy journal, and then I got the sonogram frame. I am again kind of disappointed I only got 2 products, but again, they are really good products, so I feel like it's kind of worth it in the long run. We'll have to see what I get next month. I'm super excited, and yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tijneyewear, and comment below. Let me know what you get in your bump boxes. I am going to attach at the end of this video close-ups of the 2 products I got and more details of the book itself, because I'm really excited. I really like the journal. I really do. That's so me. So guys, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tijneyewear, and welcome to my pregnancy journey, my very first pregnancy. And I do have videos where I have TMI tag pregnancy videos, and they are TMI. So I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye bye. Okay guys, so the box I was kind of disappointed in. That is not the actual box. That is what Glenn ordered especially for me and surprised me with. I'm so excited to announce that I am going to have a another video of an actual unboxing. So scratch the whole me being disappointed because I only got 2 products instead of 5. That's not my actual box. I did not know that. So let me make a quick disclaimer for the beginning of this video. And I'll let you guys watch this video as I record it, my first reaction.